One of the largest internet outages ever of all time recorded, and it occurred this weekend. It led to a 3.5% drop in global internet traffic, and I'm pretty sure that you were responsible.
Me?
Yeah, that's right.
Oh,
I want to know what you were up to this weekend.
I mean, I was at the cottage. I didn't do anything.
Sure, bud.
That's not me.
Sure, bud.
Yeah.
And let me tell you why, because I'm reading through this article, right? CenturyLink is the company. The outage led to the big drop. There was a misconfiguration in one of its data centers.
CenturyLink.
And the U.S. internet service provider suffered a major technical outage that spread across the internet, taking down many popular sites and services on Sunday. It led to problems for many other companies, including Amazon, Twitter, Namecheap, OpenDNS, Reddit, Discord, Hulu, Steam, and others. It's like a domino effect. One breaks down, one problem leads to another. Things are built on top of things.
CenturyLink.
Because this outage appeared to take all of the CenturyLink Level 3 network offline, individuals who are CenturyLink customers would not have been able to reach Cloudflare or any other internet provider until the issue was resolved. Globally, we saw a 3.5% drop in global traffic during the outage, nearly all of which was due to a nearly complete outage of CenturyLink's ISP service across the United States. Now, let me tell you why it is that you were responsible, because you scroll down a little bit more and you say, based on the information from CenturyLink status page, it appears the issue originated in the ISP's CA3 data center in Mississauga, located in Canada's Ontario province.
I was at the cottage.
I was like, I read this article.
That's so specific.
I know. I read this article and I was thinking to myself, how could it be Mississauga? Of all the places that lead to this massive outage in the U.S., how can it be I mean, of course it can be Mississauga, but Willie Doo's hometown, just chilling on the couch.
Oh.
Not even a CenturyLink customer, but I don't know, something you did, Will.
Oh, I must have stepped on the wrong cable.
Yeah, you
something.
did. That's right. You tripped over the wrong cable. Is what happened.
Chewed on it or something.
Oh, chewed on it. Anyway, massive outage. It got me thinking about how important our connectivity is, and how weird it is to think about a 3.5% drop in internet activity. Global internet traffic, and what if that was 30% or something higher? And I think it just got me thinking. I understand there's plenty of contingency and stuff in there, but when you see this domino effect, almost like a power outage, one kind of little screw up leads to bigger screw.
How long was it out for?
That's a good question.
Like maybe a couple seconds.
It's a great question, Will.
Doesn't say.
It actually doesn't say in this particular article. But I would assume it would have to be more than a couple of seconds in order to justify this article on Tech Radar Pro. Never mind techradar.com, Tech Radar Pro. IT insights for business. So that means it would have been a serious outage for a while. Anyway, shout out Willie Doo, shout out Mississauga. Last one for me.